Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by collecting the Bluetooth module, amp board, drivers, battery, and tools. First, measure the drivers and trace their outlines onto the cardboard baffle so holes are snug. Once marked, cut slowly with a sharp knife to avoid ragged edges. Clean cuts improve fit and acoustics. Make holes for the base port and switch now, because aligning them later is harder. Make sure to leave access for charging and controls. Proper placement reduces wiring stress and keeps the box airtight where needed. Now wire the Bluetooth module to the amp board, matching left/right channels and ground. Solder solid joints and heat shrink them. Connect the battery through any protection circuit to the amp's power input and install the charging board where accessible. Once powered, briefly test sound at low volume. Mount drivers firmly to the baffle, sealing gaps with glue to prevent air leaks. Add foam inside to reduce standing waves. This improves clarity. Make sure wires are bundled and strain relieved, so vibration won't loosen connections during playback. Finish by sealing the cardboard box. Glue all seams and clamp until set, then mount the baffle with drivers in place. Once sealed, power the amp and pair your device. Play a familiar track at low volume and listen for distortion or rattle. If bass is weak, add more internal damping or adjust the port length. If harsh, add softer foam. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get no sound, first confirm the amp has power and the speaker wires aren't reversed. Then inspect solder joints and Bluetooth pairing status before disassembling further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.